Delta T Devices research-grade measurement of soil moisture, temperature and EC. We've been at the forefront of soil sensor technology for over 30 years, with a range that includes the class-leading Theta probe and WET2. Through in-house design innovation, the WET 150 sensor delivers this premium quality at a price level not previously possible. We believe that the WET 150 offers the best price-performance ratio of any SDI-12 multi-parameter soil sensor, and it comes complete with 5-year warranty. The WET 150 brings outstanding value to a variety of applications. Let's look at what it does and how it can be used. When buried, it simultaneously measures 3 crucial variables that influence plant growth: soil moisture content, soil temperature, and electrical conductivity, a strong indicator of the general nutrient level. The WET 150 can also be used portably to obtain fast measurement of soil moisture and EC. Readings are displayed on the WET 150 readout meter, which comes as part of a kit. Another key sensor feature is SDI-12 compatibility. Up to 62 WET 150s can be connected to a single GP2 data logger, offering large cost reductions for many projects. Multiple WET 150s can also be used with any SDI-12-enabled data logger, regardless of manufacturer, and SDI-12-enabled wireless nodes, which can beam data to a multitude of data viewing platforms, including our DeltaLink Cloud remote viewing solution. Let's take a look at the kind of applications in which the WET 150 excels. When buried in grow bags, WET 150s can provide the accurate data required to power a sophisticated automatic precision irrigation system, cutting costs and waste whilst boosting yields and quality. The rugged watertight build of the WET 150 also makes it ideal for use in outdoor farming. Sensors can be left buried for years without loss of performance. The WET 150's exceptional salinity and temperature stability also makes it well suited to monitoring the conditions of arid soil types. In addition, WET 150 sensors can be buried at different depths to enable monitoring of soil moisture, temperature, and EC profiles. Let's review the main advantages of the WET 150. The research-grade quality Delta T Devices is renowned for, at a price point not previously possible. Multi-parameter measurements, moisture, temperature, and electrical conductivity. SDI-12 digital interface, making it easy to integrate into many applications and systems. A portable kit option for instant readings of soil moisture and EC. A wide range of suitable applications, from precision irrigation through to scientific research, and a full 5-year warranty for peace of mind. Visit www.delta-t.co.uk for more details.